Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Adobe Stock account detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate your Adobe Stock account, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Adobe Stock website. If you already have an Adobe ID, click the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your Adobe ID and password in the provided fields. If you don't have an Adobe ID, click on the Get Started or Create an Account option. Fill out the registration form with your first name, last name, email address, and password. After completing the form, agree to the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box. Click on the Create Account button to finalize your registration. Once your account is created, you will receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Open the confirmation email and click on the verification link provided within it. Returning to the Adobe Stock website, sign in again using your Adobe ID and password. After signing in, explore the subscription options available for Adobe Stock. Choose the plan that best suits your needs and click on the Buy Now button. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information and complete the purchase. Once your payment is processed, your Adobe Stock account will be fully activated. You can now access millions of high-quality stock images, videos, and templates available for download. To search for content, use the search bar at the top of the page. Enter relevant keywords related to the content you need. Browse through the results and select the assets you want to download. Add your chosen assets to your cart and proceed to checkout to download them. Congratulations, your Adobe Stock account is now activated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.